Hi, this is Ken Lau. In this video, I will show you Excel VBA tricks. Okay, I received a case study how to consolidate a machine error log faster. So it basically have several logs in this factory. So each factory maybe there is a machine. So there's machine logs. So every machine has a log. So there is a log file. So every lot has a log file. So now you have to consolidate. This is the first for the first lot and the second lot, and you consolidate into one single file. So there may be 1,000 lot, and so on, right? And each day the log will have a different. There is a section that they want to consolidate. So this is called alarm section. This is another alarm sections, right? So um, the idea is like this, okay? And okay, basically you want to the look at this worksheet and locate where is the alarm located. So you can easily do that with Control F and find where is the alarm located. See, you can see that it can tell you there's a B43. But how do you do it in Excel VBA, right? Automate it is that you can first record a macro and then you find out the code. So and after I record a macro, I found out that there is using this. You can use this piece of code, cells.find. This is basically I recorded and I modified it, and I set it to a. Once I find the cell, I will set it to that range that I found. Okay, it's another range, and from there I use the dot row properties to locate the row. Now let's see what it means, right? So I click on this cell here, it will tells me, I click on this procedure, I run this procedure, it tells me that alarm is located at row 43 and the column is at the column B. Now let's take a look here, right? Is B43 exactly the same, right? So it's very versatile, right? This one we change that. Now what is the cell subject, right? Cell subject is that um, so uh, so my student will easily to refer to this note, right? This is the for cell subject. Cell subject is just represents all the cell, yeah. So the key thing is all the cell, not just the cell they currently use. Okay, so expression can be a variable that represents a worksheet object. So there are other remarks there. So let's say I want to change the specific worksheets, right, to be uh, of 12-point array. I can use this code here. So the worksheet object, and then the cell subject, okay, and then finally in the cell subject we can access the font object, and then the properties dot name. The font name is array, and the size of the font is 12 in this worksheet. Okay, we can change it. So let's go back to this code here. You can also use that to do this, right? Let's say I want to make it to 14 to all this entire worksheet, right? So I can just write this code. Let's see. Oh yeah, so subscription out of range because its name is B, so I just change it to B. Okay, and let's just run it again, and that's it. You can see that the font size of this current worksheets, right, is already uh, being enlarged, right? It's become 14 point. So if I change it to 18 and run this code, right, it become 18. Okay, so that is the first step of locating a value in the worksheets just by using the find method in the cell subject. Okay, now this is one way to locate the items, and you can also do the same thing to locate where is the total row. Okay, so it's not just total, it's actually total alarm. So you can use the same method to do the same. Just copy this one, right? And then you can say to find total alarm line. Okay, So instead of showing the word alarm, you can change it to this line here. Okay, and then so I'm here, I just run this code here again. So it's at row 52, and same thing is at column B, so it's column B, column 2, right? So that is how you can use that. Now, if you don't want to return the column as the what is it, the number, as a number, you can use the split tools, right, to find that. So I can just call the range found cell dot address, okay, dot address, and then locate with the dollar sign, and I want to return the first one item, and debug dot print. Okay, so I can just change it to this one and column label. So I run this code here, 52, column 2. Now push this here, column label as B, just by using this, right? You can change the from column number to label, column number to column label. Just by using the split cell, sorry, not split cell, the split functions. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Right, I'm just showing you that this is one possibility to solve in Excel VBA. It's just the first part, and this is not the only method, because Excel has come out with the latest tools, right? So you can do this probably faster than using VBA. Okay, I will talk about this to my amazing community group more about this. I hope you learned something useful even in this video. How to use the find method to locate the row and the column. Bye. God bless you.